Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tutor Bytes. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a snap on Snapchat's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To send a snap on Snapchat's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Snapchat application on your device. Make sure that you have downloaded the application and signed up for your account in case if you don't have an account yet. If you already have an account, make sure that you are logged into it or not. In case if you are not logged into your account, you need to sign into your account first. Now to start a streak on Snapchat, firstly go ahead and launch open your Snapchat application on your device. From the home page or camera screen page, to start a streak or send a snap, click a picture or a snap as per your preference. Once you're done clicking a snap or a picture, in case if you want to add up any sticker, click on sticker icon at the top right hand side of the page. Select any sticker, location or GIF and tap on it. Once you're done, click on Send to button at the bottom right corner of the page. Select your friends to whom you want to send snap or start a streak with and tap on it. After selecting, click on an arrow icon to send a snap. This is how you can start a streak or send a snap on Snapchat quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more content and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.